Class 9, Chapter 12, Heron's Formula, Module 1. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about the introduction and also area of a triangle by Heron's Formula. Introduction. If you note sorry, listen, the area of a triangle, we know the equation that we have studied earlier. What is that? Half into base into height. Now if it is a right angle triangle, we can consider this equation, that is half into base into perpendicular height. Now listen carefully. Scalene triangle, we know what do you mean by scalene triangle? All the sides are different in length. So consider one triangle having the sides A, B and C. That is scalene triangle, different length are they. Then the area of the triangle, there is one equation called Heron's formula. That is what? Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where a, b and c are the sides of the triangle and s is the semi-perimeter, that is half the perimeter of the triangle. Now perimeter means what? A plus B plus C. So sum of the length of the three sides of the triangle. So half of the perimeter means what? A plus B plus C by 2. Now listen the first question. Calculate the area of the triangular park ABC having sides A is equal to 40 meter, B is equal to 24 meter and C is equal to 32 meter. So the length of the three sides are different one, and we need to find out the area of the triangle. So listen carefully. First we need to find out the perimeter, half of the perimeter, okay, that is S. So S is equal to what? The perimeter by 2, that is 40 plus 24 plus 32 by 2, which is equal to what? 96 by 2 is equal to 48 meter. So here the semi-perimeter is equal to what? 48 meter. Now the equation area of the triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Substitute the values. S is what? 48 into 48 minus a, 40. Then 48 minus b what? 24 centimeter. For 24 meter. Then third side, then 48 minus 32 meter. Now the next step what? First one 48 inside. Then subtract 48 minus 48. 48 minus 24, 24. Then 48 minus 32, 16. After that, we need to find out the square root of that. So what is the method to find out the square root of this? Yes, prime factorization method. So each number we need to prime factorize. Now first we prime factor 48. That is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 3 is what? 48. Now 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Then 24, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3 what? 24. Then 16, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2 what? 16. So we prime factorize each of that numbers 48, 8, 24 and 16. Now to find out the square root of what? So square root of this one is what? From this group of 2. From this group of 2 means a pair of 2. We take 1 2 outside. That is 2 into 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 3. Now multiply all that. That is equal to what? 384 meter square. So square root, inside the square root, a group of 2. From the group of 2, we need to consider outside the square root only 1, 2. The next group of 2, we take 1, 2 outside like that. Okay. Now the next question. Find the area of the triangle whose sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. So dear students, you know what do you mean by perimeter? Yes, sum of the length of the three sides of the triangle. So let the sides be A, B and C. So A is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 11 centimeter. How we find out C? So perimeter is 32 given. So perimeter minus the sum of the length of the other two sides. So 8 plus 11 is equal to what? 19 plus the third side C is equal to 32 perimeter. So C is equal to what? 32 minus 8, 19 is equal to 13 centimeter. Now we will find area of the triangle by Heron's formula. That is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter. Now if perimeter is equal to 32 centimeter, semi-perimeter is what? 16. Substitute all the values. Square root of 16 into 16 minus 8 into 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 30. Now subtract it. First one 16 itself. Then 16 minus 8, 8. 16 minus 11, 5. 16 minus 13, 3. Now take the prime factors of each number. After that, from the group of 2, we need to take a 1, 2 outside. So 2 into 2, we take 1 outside. 2 into 2, we take 1, 2 outside. Then one more 2 into 2, we take one more 2 outside. Inside the square root, what? 2 into 5 into 3. So multiply all that. What is 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 into square root of 5 into 2, 10 into 3 is equal to root 30. Okay. Then 8 root 30 centimeter square. Next one question, what? A triangular park ABC has 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter sides. Gardener Dania has to put a fence all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? Then find the cost of fencing it with barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for a gate on one side. So the length of the sides A, B and C are what? 120 meter, 80 meter and C 50 meter. Now S is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2, which is equal to what? 250 by 2 is 125. Now area. So what? First one, we need to plant grass inside portion. So area of that portion is equal to what? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So substitute the values. 125 into 125 minus 120, 125 minus 80 into 125 minus 50. So which is equal to 125 into 5 into 45 into 75. Now we need to prime factorize all that. At last what we get? 375 root 15 meters square. Now listen carefully. After that, find the cost of fencing it with the barbed wire at the rate of rupees 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter wide for the gate on one side. So first we need to find out the perimeter of the park. So what perimeter of the park is given? 250 meter. Now length of the wire needed for fencing is what? 3 meter wide gate is there. So we need to subtract that. So what is 250 minus 3 is equal to 247. Now cost of fencing is equal to what? 247 into 20 is equal to 4,940 rupees. Okay. Now the next question. The sides of this type of questions are very important. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. So listen carefully. Here the sides ratios are given. So we can consider each side as 3x, 5x and 7x. Sum of that 3 side is equal to the perimeter, which is 300 meter given. Now add it. 15x is equal to 300. X is equal to 300 by 15 is equal to what? 20. Hence the sides are which are there? 3x. That is what? 3 into 20 60. Then 5x, 5 into 20 100. Then next one is what? 7x is equal to 7 into 100. 7 into 20 is equal to what? 140 meter. Now the semi-perimeter. What is the sum of the length of the three sides by 2? So 60 plus 100 plus 140 by 2 is equal to 300, which is equal to 150. Now we need to find out area. So area is equal to the equation root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So square root of s is what? 150 into 150 minus 60 into 150 minus 100 into 150 minus 140. So 150 into 90 into 50 into 10. Now prime factorization at last. What is that? Area is equal to 1500 root 3 meters square. Now clear? So listen the next question. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with a side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So given the side of the signal board whose shape is an equilateral triangle is A. So perimeter is what? A plus A plus A by 2, 3A by 2. Now using Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Substitute 3a by 2 into 3a by 2 minus a, etc. we need to write first. So 3a by 2, next second bracket 3a minus cross multiply 3a minus 2a by 2, then same 3a minus 2a by 2. After that, next step is what? Square root of root 3a by 2 into 3a minus cross multiply 2 into a become what? 2a. So 3a minus 2a is what? A by 2. Then same type a by 2 into a by 2. Now multiply all that. 3 into a raised to 4 by 16. At last what we get? Square root of 3a square divided by 4, root 3 by 4, a square by 4 is the area of that signal board, which is an equilateral triangle. So by heart this equation, root 3 by 4 a square is the area of the equilateral triangle. Okay. Now listen carefully. Hence area of the signal board with the side A by using the Heron's formula is root 3 a square by 4. So perimeter of the equilateral triangle is what? 3a. Perimeter of the traffic signal board is what? 180 centimeter, which is given in the question. Now 3a is equal to 180 centimeter. A is equal to what? 180 by 3 is equal to 60 centimeter. Now area of the signal board is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60, which is equal to 3600 root 3 by 4. Now cancel. So 3600 by 4 is equal to 900 root 3 centimeter square. Now hence the area of the signal board when perimeter is 180 centimeter is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Now the last question is, a triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 120 meter, 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So listen carefully this figure. Okay, so side one rectangular portion is there. Sides are 122 meter, 120 meter and 22 meter. Now listen carefully. In this triangle A 122, B 22 and C 120. First we need to find out the semi-perimeter. So add that side by 2 is equal to 132 meter. Now area of the triangle ABC is equal to what is the equation? Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now substitute all the values. Square root of 132 into 132 minus 122 into 132 minus 23 into 132 minus 120. That is 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. Now 132 into 10 into 11 into 10, which is what? 110. into 12. Now, which is equal to what? 132 square. That is 11 into 12 is what? 132. So 132 into 132 become 132 square. Then into 10 square. Then outside the square root of what? That square vanish. Then 132 into 10 is equal to 1320 meter square is the area of that triangular portion. Now rent for 1 meter square per year is what? Rupees 5,000. 1 meter square per year. Now rent for 1 meter square per month is what? We need to divide by 12. Now rent for 1 meter square for 3 months. Per month is this one. Then 3 months means we need to multiply by 3. Now rent for 1320 meter square for 3 months is equal to rupees 3 into 5,000 into 1320 by 12, which is equal to 1 crore 65 lakh. Clear, students? Okay, thank you.